Hello friends, welcome to Click to Edit channel. Today we'll learn about how to fix images using levels in Photoshop. To get started, I provided couple of images link in my description. You can download that link. Just open that images. Go to File, Open, and I've saved in my desktop naming colors. And if you are using a Mac OS, go to Colors Mac OS, and if you are on Windows, go to Color Windows and just open level 01. Click Open. You can see for adjusting levels, we need to find the adjustments panel here. If you can't see the adjustment panel, go to Windows and click Adjustments. For you can see if I point the mouse in any of the icon, you can see the name changes here. Here the name changes. See, just for finding levels, go the name will be levels, and it looks like a histogram bar graph chart type. And just click on it. What it does nothing, but it creates a layer naming levels 1, and it has a preview on and off also. You can see here three pointers. There's a black one, grayish one, and a white one. What does it shows? It means that here's nothing any white information, and it does not have any black information. For adjusting levels, just click hold any of the pointer and drag it to the right side. You can see the image is getting darker. So for adjusting, just keep an eye on your image, and if you drag to the right, you can see the image is getting darker. But just drag it to the half half hump of the bar chart, and if you want to see the changes, just go to levels 1 layer and turn on and off your preview. You can see the image has been sharpened or darked by the levels. For more adjusting, just click hold white pointer and just drag it to the left side. You can see the image is getting brighter, and till here, yeah, it's fine. Now just go to preview on and off. You can see the image has been sharpened and the colors are more brighter. And just click the gray pointer and move it around left or right until you find the best place for your image. And yeah, here the image is now. Just turn on and off your preview to see the changes. Now you can see the image has been brightened and sharpened by levels. So if you want to practice on another image, I provided an image. Go to File, Open, and on in the same folder, open levels 02. You can see here I have downloaded it from unsplash.com. It provides images for free commercial use, but it says you have to show the name of the photographer. So here the photographer is Matthew Hamilton, and just click open and just practice on this image. Thank you.